Hi guys, I'm Ace Empress. Welcome to Tarot Exposes Celebrity and Select Couples. So in this video we are going to see Katrina and Vicky Kaushal's Tarot Expose. Up until now I have done expose about Kiara Siddharth or Anant Radhika, Mukesh Ambani, Neeta Ambani ji, Anushka Virat and Aishwarya and Abhishek. So this time we are going to do Vicky Kaushal and Katrina, but in video format. Till now you must have seen my posts, so I used to write it down and post it on Instagram. Now I want to try something different and make it into a video. So in case you are new here and you don't have any idea what is going to happen, first of all we are going to see both of their personalities. So Vicky's personality, Katrina's personality, and how their love for each other is and what does the future hold for them. Okay, so many people are curious about their life, so let's see using the form of tarot what insights we can gain through this. If you are a tarot card reader or astrologer or any spiritual healer, this can also be like a study for you. And yes, if you want to book a personal reading with me anytime, please DM me on Instagram. Link to my Instagram account is down below in description box. Okay, previously I had done Vicky Kaushal's personality when that Toba Toba song came, so I'll just summarize it in short. So Vicky's personality cards are Hierophant and Three of Wands. Okay, in case you don't know tarot, I will explain everything, don't worry. So someone who has Hierophant personality is someone who is like a stable, reliable person, someone who is conservative in their emotions, values, tradition and order. Okay, we all know that he is very family oriented. That is very clear. We see it in media all the time. He loves his family. He approaches life with a measured and thoughtful manner, often preferring the known paths to uncharted territories. Okay, you can see it here. His emotional stability and consistency makes him a dependent figure. Okay. Three of Wands with a Hierophant is someone who is patient enough to wait for what he wants in life. See, this person is waiting. Okay, and even this person is standing and waiting. He is someone who is confident and optimistic about his future, displaying a sense of eagerness and anticipation. As for physical characteristics, you can see both the characters in these cards, they are standing. Okay, they are standing and they are standing tall. We all know he is very tall, which is something very apparent, He exudes a calming aura, but none of the figures in this card are directly looking at us. So Three of Wands has a man with his back towards us. It indicates that he must be an introvert and needs some efforts to be an extrovert. Notice how both the figures have a staff or wand in their hand. Okay, they have wands, right? It shows that once he takes on something like a goal or a project, he makes sure to complete it with full passion and dedication. Okay, he's very honest and also humble and down to earth, because Hierophant is not someone with ego. Okay, so this is Vicky Kaushal's personality. Next we'll look at Katrina's personality. Now when we see Katrina's cards, I can clearly see that this is someone who is like a queen, someone who likes to stay like a queen, someone who demands respect, someone who likes to stay in luxury, someone who loves beauty. Queen of Pentacles she is very talented when it comes to business or entrepreneurship or finances. Like, she has a better understanding of it. And Queen of Pentacles loves royalty. Even though she's a homebody, she loves royalty. She loves to stay like a queen, like a royal person, like a noble person. She will always dress nicely, look presentable at least, even when this person is at home. So Katrina is someone like that. Her personality comes off like that. this is a very abundant card. So yeah, she has a lot of abundance. Everybody knows that. She's very capable. She's very talented. Katrina might be a homebody. Maybe she likes to stay at home a lot. She's very caring, kind, nurturing, and compassionate. As you can see, the queens are always good in tarot cards. So she's also very grounded because this is the pentacles and this is the earth element. She's also very grounded and she demands respect. As I said, she will not tolerate disrespect. A queen will never tolerate disrespect. Okay, she always thinks big, कैसे, like for example how to gain profit किसी चीज़ से, किसी business idea से, किसी project से. Okay, so she is very good at that. She's also, this can show someone who is very rich, who has assets, who has money. Okay, this can also show that someone is very generous, and I don't know if she does charity or not. I don't know that part about her, but maybe she is generous in her real life, or maybe she likes to be really kind, caring, and compassionate towards other people. Now, let's come to this card, because this card, as you can see, a little bit is problematic. So, this card shows that Katrina maybe has a side to her जहाँ पे she finds herself like, I don't know what to do. So she, when उसको नहीं पता है what to do, she likes to rely on other people. Okay, she is not like I'll do everything. She is very talented, that's for sure, but she likes to take help from other people also. There might be times in her life when she feels like she's trapped, or there's stress, there's anxiety, there's being unsure, like there are clouds, right? So this is clouds is confusion. Okay, and all these words is not having clarity. So yeah, this is her personality. Overall, I'll say this is a very good personality. Everybody has doubts, everybody has fears, everybody has anxiety. That is completely normal. If you ask for help, you get help, right? Now next, let's look at their love for each other. Okay, so above cards we have, does Katrina love Vicky, and below we have, does Vicky love Katrina? Okay, so okay, let's start with Katrina. Katrina, I feel like, yes, she loves him a lot, and I feel like again we have her personality card here. So she loves him with her whole self, her whole personality, her whole existence. She loves him with all of that, and her love is very pure and very logical, also very grounded also. It's not like her head is in the cloud or something. And with the Tower card here, I feel like meeting Vicky for Katrina might have felt like this is destiny, this is meant to be, this is sudden. I don't know ये person कहाँ से आ गया मेरी लाइफ में, ये क्या हो गया. I mean, ये सब एकदम fast हो गया. Something sudden, something dramatic, something unexpected, out of syllabus. And we have the Moon card. So Moon card might tell us something that maybe the world does not know. कि Katrina might have met Vicky at a time when she felt like, I really need a partner. I need someone to rely on. I need someone who I can trust 100% with my emotions, with my feelings, with my deepest, darkest desires, etc. etc. You know how we expose ourselves to the other person when we fall in love. वो चाहिए था कैटरीना को. Okay, and Ace of Wands, she loves him passionately, like टूट के प्यार करना, टूट के चाहना, madly in love. She loves him with her entire existence. Okay, now let's come to Vicky. Does Vicky love Katrina? I feel like when being with Katrina, Vicky feels very balanced. He feels like, how we have water, fire, all the elements. He feels like there's a balance of all elements. There's a balance of mind, body, and soul. With this card placed under this card, I feel like exactly विकी को भी यही लगा होगा कि ये क्या हो गया मेरे साथ, ये कहाँ से पर्सन आ गया, वेयर डिड शी कम फ्रॉम, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज देयर इज अ ब्लाइंड फोल्ड, राइट. सो नो क्लैरिटी, बोथ ऑफ देम आई डोंट थिंक दे हैड क्लैरिटी कि ओके आई एम गोइंग टू मीट समवन, आई एम गोइंग टू फॉल इन लव. ये सडन हो गया है इनके लिए, इसके लिए सडन है और इसके लिए अननोन था ये. विकी ब्रिंग्स practicality and logic in Katrina's life. Okay, he brings that stability, that logic, that थोड़ा emotions को control करने में Vicky is good. Vicky gives her that ability, stability to calm down, to think practically, to keep her emotions in check. तभी तो balance बनेगा. Temperance is what? Temperance is balance. Now let's see what future has in store for Vicky Kaushal and Katrina Kaif. So will they be together, and how and what will happen? Okay, I was just about to shuffle and I saw Ace of Cups at the bottom of the deck. This is true love, this is pure love, this is childlike love, this is falling in love because it's cosmic love, it's meant to be, again see Knight of Cups again, like a Romeo thing. Okay, so what does future hold in store for Vicky and Katrina? Okay, there's like a lot I want to explain. So फ्यूचर में इनका क्या होगा, शादी रहेगी, कैसे रहेगी, क्या होगा वगैरह. First of all, we have Hierophant, which is a good thing. So Hierophant is traditional marriage and all things like customs, traditions, rituals, values, morals, principles, which is a good thing. So we can say that ये शादी टिक के रहेगी, ये शादी काफ़ी देर तक चलेगी, ये शादी काफ़ी जब तक ट्रेडिशनल वे से चलती रहेगी तब तक ये काफ़ी अच्छी चलती रहेगी. ओके, वी हैव जस्टिस कार्ड. जस्टिस कार्ड एक डिवाइन कार्ड है. जस्टिस कार्ड आपको बताता है कि जब तक आप बैलेंस बना के रखोगे तब तक आपका रिलेशनशिप विल बी गुड. ओके, मैजिशियन कार्ड आपको बताता है कि ऑल इज़ इन योर हैंड्स. ओके, जिस तरह आप रिलेशनशिप चलाते हैं, द वे यू हैंडल रिलेशनशिप, प्रॉब्लम्स, इश्यूज, फाइनेंशियल इश्यूज, इमोशनल नीड्स, ऑल ऑफ दैट इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. ओके, सो जब तक ये बैलेंस बना के चलेंगे, जब तक ये अपने आप में एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग रखेंगे, कम्युनिकेशन को सही रखेंगे, तब तक ये मैरिज अच्छी चलेगी. I don't see any problems there. Also, I feel like devil card is here, which is problematic. So there can be a lot of distractions in their marriage. As we know, they both are actors and famous personality. काफ़ी distractions होते हैं, काफ़ी intoxications होते हैं, पता नहीं और क्या क्या होता है. When you are famous, काफ़ी negativity होती है आसपास. So they have to keep all of this away. जब तक वो इस negativity को साइड में रखे, राइट, बैड नेगेटिविटी एंड ऑल बैड पीपल को, तब तक ये मैरिज अच्छी रहेगी. फूल है एंड पेंटाकल्स है. नाइट ऑफ पेंटाकल्स ये भी काफ़ी अच्छा कार्ड है, स्टेबिलिटी वाला कार्ड है. फूल भी यही कहता है कि इफ़ देयर आर एनी प्रॉब्लम्स इन देयर मैरिज, दे शुड स्टार्ट अगेन, वंस अगेन दे शुड टेक अ फ्रेश न्यू बिगिनिंग एंड एक न्यू अप्रोच लेना चाहिए रिलेशनशिप में. नाउ विल फोकस ऑन द स्ट्रेंथ कार्ड. सो स्ट्रेंथ कार्ड का ये है कि you have to try, strength लगानी पड़ेगी for this marriage to work because of the issues that I told you. Love is there, एक ट्रेडिशनल मैरिज है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग है, बैलेंस है, बट इसके लिए ट्राई करना पड़ता है, विच इज़ ट्रू फॉर एनी रिलेशनशिप कहीं भी हो प्लानट पे. यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन रिलेशनशिप्स, यू हैव टू वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ, यू हैव टू फोकस ऑन हीलिंग. ओके, सो यस, जब तक ये स्ट्रेंथ लगाते रहेंगे, इक्वल एफर्ट्स करते रहेंगे, एक दूसरे को रिस्पेक्ट करेंगे, तब तक ये मैरिज काफ़ी अच्छी चलती रहेगी. आई डोंट सी एनी नेगेटिव न्यूज़ हियर, एनी बैड न्यूज़ हियर. सो बैड न्यूज़ लोल. सो या ये काफ़ी अच्छा स्प्रेड है फॉर अ रिलेशनशिप. So सो आई होप यू लाइक दिस रीडिंग एंड यू अंडरस्टूड जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया नेक्स्ट किसका एक्सपोज हम करें, कपल का या किसी की पर्सनालिटी का. प्लीज़ टेल मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. Subscribe and wait for my next video.